How to use Murf AI. Murf AI Overview. Transforming text into speech.
Greetings. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use the Murf AI service to convert text into speech using the Universal AI voice generator. So let's get started. Murf AI is an artificial intelligence voice generator that allows you to create studio-quality voiceovers for your videos in just a few minutes. The realistic artificial intelligence voices from Murf are perfect for podcasts and advertisements. Murf's exclusive features will help you save time and resources, creating voices that match your brand. Whether you need professional voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, presentations, or marketing pages, Murf provides everything you need. Murf is suitable for various roles such as a product developer, teacher, marketer, video creator, corporate coach, podcaster, animator, and customer support, with realistic voices available on Murf. With Murf's tools, you can customize tone, use punctuation and accents, creating artificial voices that convey your message. An excellent feature of Murf is the ability to use a realistic voice converter to turn home recordings into professional voiceovers. This approach allows collaboration with team members, enabling direct interaction. Let's look at Murf's pricing. We have a simple and affordable monthly plan. The Murf free plan allows free recording of a 10-minute voiceover. The basic plan is available for $29 per month. The Pro plan is offered at $39 per month. The Enterprise plan is available for $75 per month. Now, choosing the annual payment plan can save you up to 33%. Thus, the same plans are available at lower prices. Free plan. Basic plan for $19. Pro plan for $26 with the annual payment plan. Let's move on to working in Murf Studio. As always, our work begins with registration. The Murf AI registration link is provided in the description of this video. Registration is standard. Enter your email. Create a password. Click Sign Up. The system informs that to complete registration, email verification is required. Open the received email. Find the link, click here to verify, and click on it. To complete the registration, enter your name. The system then asks, what type of work do you do? I select Video Producer. Click on the Continue button. To complete the registration, click the Create Workspace button. Now you can start working by getting a free trial version. Before you is the Murf Studio page. This is where all the magic happens. Since the service interface is straightforward, there's no need to waste time explaining. For example, here, you can find ready-made templates with built-in designs that help create videos instantly. In the upcoming videos, I will demonstrate how to use these templates, and it's quite simple. With a simple click, you can use any of the available templates. As you watch this video, you'll understand how it works. At the bottom, you'll find the trash button. If you accidentally delete something, you can restore it from the trash option. Please note that this feature doesn't work for the free plan. So let's go ahead and create a new project. Once you click on the Create Project button, you need to give your project a new name. Let's call it My New Project. Moving on, you need to choose whether you want to create the project in audio or video format. Since I'm creating a video project, I'll click on the Video button. Again, we have various options to proceed. We have e-learning video, training video, explainer video, product demo, motivational video, entertainment video, social media, video games, and video ad. I choose to create the project from scratch, so I select Start Blank and click the Create Project button. Now, you enter the Murf Studio editor. Let me first explain what we have on the panel in front of you. Firstly, we have the voiceover selection feature. We can test AI-generated narrator voices, and I can choose from over 120 voices in more than 20 languages. I'll show you how to select a language in a minute. But first, let's upload the script. In other words, let's upload the text that we've prepared in any text editor, which will be used to voice over the created video. To do this, click on Import Script. Upload the prepared text in the text editor by clicking Select a file. Find the prepared text and upload it. This prepared text will allow you to upload a file from your computer. I'm uploading the script for an explainer video that I want to create. Here's how the text I created looks after uploading it to Murf. All my dialogues are neatly distributed into blocks, meaning each sentence is placed in separate blocks as per my arrangement in the text file. Next, I need to decide how to structure the entire text, whether to organize it into paragraphs or create it in Murf as separate sentences. If I decide to create an explainer video, it's better to divide my created text into prepared paragraphs. This way, it's easier to create the necessary pauses in my explainer video. I choose Split Script by Paragraphs and click Import Script. As you can see, the system automatically arranged my text into paragraphs at the bottom. Here, you can move, rearrange, and edit the created text blocks individually. Moving on, I forgot to mention that the text I created is in the form of a dialogue between two characters. Therefore, I need to show you how to change the narrator's voice. To explore narrator voices, click the Explore AI Voices button. The system provides us with a complete list of narrators created by artificial intelligence. Here are voices of different narrators. By using the filter selection, the system will display what we want. For example, by choosing male, we will have a list of only male narrators. Choosing female will provide a list of narrators with only female voices. We have the option to preview the sound of the voice. The first and second sentences in my text sound like a male voice. In my case, I choose the voice tail for the male narrator. I click on the icon with the narrator's image.
Welcome to our new lifestyle brand, designed for the modern man.
Are you ready to take your writing to the next level? Introducing Write Pro.
For my video, I want to use a voiceover with an American and Canadian accent. I'm choosing the voice of Tell.
It only takes one voice, at the right pitch, to start an avalanche.
I press Select. The second sentence will also be voiced by Tell. So, from the general list, I choose Tell again. So, I press the Select button again. The next dialogue sentence should be a female voice. Again, I choose a female narrator from the general list. I click on the image of the narrator for the next sentence and find a suitable female voice from the general list.
Hi, this is Emma, one of the friendly British voices in Murf.
Did you know that 3 in 4 products in the supermarket?
Katie has the most suitable voice for me, so I choose her. The second sentence will also be voiced by Katie. Since the next sentences in the ongoing dialogue will be in a male voice, I naturally choose the tell voice again. Additionally, you have the option to change the voice from male to female, and there is also the option to create a child's voice. To do this, click here and choose Kid.
Hello, I am Hannah. I am among the most popular kids. I can narrate children's books or convey.
Now, let's delve into the settings. In this section, I'll be explaining the parameters that fall under explaining settings. The inspirational feature allows you to give the speech a more inspiring or motivational character. The pitch function allows you to change the pitch of the voice. Use the slider to the left or right for adjustments. You can also slow down or speed up the playback speed of the text. For me, the primary function is the ability to pause in the text being created. I consider this the most crucial function. After every sentence, I use a strong pause, which means 1 second after each sentence. Wow! This is unexpected. I forgot to mention that I didn't change the narrator's voice in the last sentences. Adding. Of course, you can also correct errors and pronunciations of the voice. Notice. What I like about Murf is that they have complete and detailed tutorials on how to use Murf. You can find the link to the tutorial materials, as always, in the description below this video. Now let's see how to add your prepared video. Click the Add Media button. Choose File and find the created video. After uploading the video, I click the Add to Timeline button. The video is added to our project. Since the video's duration is slightly shorter than the text sound, I copy it several times to match the video's duration with the text sound. Naturally, you should know the length of both the text and the video from the beginning. Now, let's add background music to our video. Again, click the Add Media button. Here is a list of audio files that we can use entirely legally. I select the very first clip music and click the Next button to add it to the timeline. As you can see, both our video and our music clip are on the timeline. To preview the created video, click the Play button. This window shows the created video.
Our efforts are needed to support our environment. It's time to carefully consider our contribution to climate change and take concrete actions.
What do you mean? What is the reason for climate change?
Since the Industrial Revolution, human activities have led to the release of significant amounts of carbon dioxide.
To ensure the audio background is not louder than the voice's sound, click the Volume Mixer button. Increase the narrator's voice with the left slider. Set the middle slider almost to 0 for the video sound. Decrease the audio background's voice with the right slider. Let's take another look at our changes.
Our efforts are needed to support our environment.
Great! I like everything, and now I can save the created project. To do this, click the Export button and choose the Video MP4 button. Literally, within a few seconds, the project I created is in my computer folder.
Our efforts are needed to support our environment.
That's how easy and simple we can create our videos using Murf AI. I bid farewell to you and see you in the next videos.